So now I'm going to move towards exercise 3.19. In first exercise in matrices we have gone through order and general matrix. In exercise 3.17 we have saw addition and subtraction of matrices. Now we are going to see the multiplication of matrices in exercise 3.19. There is more to learn about multiplication of matrices. Addition of matrices, addition and subtraction, when it is possible, if order is same. If order is same, addition subtraction is possible. If order is same, addition and subtraction between two matrices is possible. Addition and subtraction between two matrices is possible if order is going to be same. If multiplication of matrices, now I am going to teach you multiplication of matrices. Without knowing this multiplication of matrices, you can't able to do any sum in exercise 3.19. Surely you will miss 1 5 mark. So listen and do the sum properly. What is the main thing? So this is the first matrix, this is the second matrix. These two matrices I am going to multiply. This will be row and column. That is, I will keep as R1 row. I will keep this one as in spite of keeping R1, I will keep M cross N. I will keep this matrix order as P cross U. This matrix order as M cross N. This matrix order as P cross Q. M rows, N columns, P rows and Q columns. What is the condition for multiplication of any two matrices? So nothing but column of the first matrix. Column of, listen students, column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. This is the main condition you need to learn. Column of the this is a row, this is a column. Column of the first matrix is equal to row. This is a row. This is a row, this is a column. Row of the second matrix. Column of the first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. If we are going to multiply, I will get one matrix. This matrix order will be M cross Q. M cross Q. So I will tell you once again, listen carefully. Order for this matrix is 2 cross 4. Order for this matrix is 4 cross 3. How I can able to find? How it is possible? This is row. This is column. First matrix row is 2. Second matrix column is 4. First matrix row is 2 and first matrix column is 4. Here second matrix row is 4 and second matrix column is 3. So see, what is the possibility? Column of the first matrix. This is the column of the first matrix. Row of the second matrix are equal. Yes, both are equal. Here 4 and 4 both are equal. This is a row, this is a column of the first matrix. This is a row of the second matrix. As both are equal, I will get one answer. After multiplying these two matrices, I will get one answer. What will be this order? This order will be 2 and 3. 2 cross 3. Leaving remainder one is nothing but 2 cross 3. This order for this matrix. What is the resulting matrix? So using this, I am going to show you how the multiplication of matrices is possible. In textbook they are given one method. Now I am going to follow the another method. So first I will take one simple 1 2 3 1 4 0 2 1. This is a simple 2 cross 2 matrix. First, multiplication between these two matrices possible or not, I need to check. What is the order for this matrix? 2 cross 2. What is the order for this matrix? 2 cross 2. What I want to check? First matrix column, second matrix row, both are same. I need to check. If both are same, I can do the multiplication of matrix. Otherwise, I can't able to do. Next, how the multiplication I am going to do? What is the resultant matrix? The resultant matrix is also 2 cross 2. but I am going to get a matrix nothing but 2 cross 2. Sir, multiply easy sir. 1 into 4, 4. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 1, 1. This is not a multiplication matrix. This is not multiplication matrix. The multiplication matrix, what is the SL matrix? 2 rows, 2 columns answer. What is the 2 rows, 2 columns? So I going to put 7. 7 like symbol. 2 rows, next I put. Therefore, 2 rows, 2 columns. See, how many rows? 2 rows. How many column? 2 column. So I need to put 7 like symbol, somewhat biggest one. This is the first matrix. In first matrix, I need to take rows. This is a first row. This is a second row. First row, second row. In second matrix, I need to take column C1, C2. First column, second column. First row, in first matrix, I need to take row only. First row, second row. In second matrix, I need to take column. First column, second column. As row, what is R1, 1 and 2? This is row 1. This fully row 1, this fully row 2. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Like the one I need to put. Next is second row. This is second row, no. 3, 1, 3, 1. First row, 1, 2, 1, 2. Second row, 3, 1, 3, 1. Now I want to engage the column. Column, what is the first column? 4, 2. This is the first column. 4, 2, 4, 2. What is second column? 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is going to be our answer. How? 1 into 4 is 4. Plus 2 2s are 4. Next, 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 into 1, 2. 3 4s are 12. Plus 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 0, 0. Plus here 1, no. 1 into 1, 1. So answer is 4 plus 4, 8. 0 plus 2, 2. 12 plus 2, 14. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is our answer. This is the easiest method without any confusion. You can learn this multiplication matrix using 7 symbol. There is more method I can teach you, but at present we are not having any contact between us, so this is going to be very easy. Within this one example, I am not going to stop. I am not going to move towards inside exercise also. I am going to give few more examples to you. Listen. Another, once again, 2 cross 2 matrix. 2, minus 1, 4, 2. 0, minus 1, 3 and 1. Listen students carefully. First I need to check. This order is 2 cross 2. This order is 2 cross 2. First matrix column, second matrix row are same. First matrix column, second matrix row are same. What is the result matrix 2 cross 2? Result matrix 2 rows, 2 columns. So I need to put 7 symbol. 7 symbol. If you are going to leave some space, it will be very easy. After putting 7 symbol, put matrix like this. Very, very easy for you. What I told, in first matrix you need to take column. In second matrix you need to take first matrix you need to take. In first matrix you need to take rows, and in the second matrix you need to take column. Therefore R1 and R2. R1 is nothing but first row. See first row. R2 is nothing but second. R2 is nothing but second row. In second matrix I need to take column C1, C2. First column and second column. Now I taken. So since it is R1 and R2, this is R1 and R2. First row, second row. It is column. First column, second column. In first matrix I am going to take row alone. 2 and minus 1. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. I arrange fully R1, 2 minus 1. This is R1, 2 minus 1. I arrange 2 minus 1, 2 R1 fully. What is R2? R2 is nothing but 4, 2. Put 4, 2, 4, 2. After finishing the row wise, now I want to move towards second matrix and going to take column. Columns are 0, 3. 0, 3. First column. See first column. This is fully first column. So 0, 3. Second column. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Next I need to move towards a sum. This one. 2 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3 is something but minus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 4 into 0 is 0. 2 3s are 6. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 2 into 1 is 2. So what's the answer? 0 minus 3. Minus 3. minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 0 plus 6 6, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So this is our required answer for multiplication of matrix. If you need to learn somewhat more, I am going to give some unexpected matrices now. See here, 2, minus 1, 4 and 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1, 0. I'll put minus somewhere. See, what is the order for this matrix? 2 cross 2. What is the order for this matrix? How many rows? 3 rows, 2 columns. See, whether multiplication is possible here, 2, 3. So multiplication of matrices is not possible between these two matrices, because first matrix column, second matrix row are not same. Here 2, here 3. So multiplication of matrix is not possible. See, next I will move to another one. 2, 4, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 3. 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 1 and 0. Check for this matrix whether possible. How many rows is present here? 2 rows. How many column is present here? 3 columns. For this matrix, how many rows? 3 rows. How many column? 2 column. Now check it, what has happened. See, first matrix column, second matrix row, both are same. So addition between multiplication between these two matrices possible. What is the result matrix? 2 cross 2. The result matrix 2 cross 2. Therefore, what is this one indicates? Row. This one indicates column. 2 rows. 2 rows, 2 columns. See, first I need to put. How many rows is present here? 2 rows. How many columns present here? 2 columns. After putting, put matrix like that. I have told first itself, in first matrix you need to take, only rows. R1, R2. This is R1, R2. In second matrix you need to take only column. C1, C2. C1, C2. Now arrange what is R1? 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1. Here also 2, 4, 1. Fully R1, no. 2, 4, 1. Next R2. Minus 1, 0, minus 3. Minus 1, 0, minus 3. Next is C1. 3, 0, 1. 3, 0, 1. Next is C2. Minus 1, 2, 0. Minus 1, 2, 0. Now arrange the matrices properly. 2 3s are 6. 4 into 0, 0. This is one element. I need to write this one element. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Because after finishing one element, there is another element. I need to move and write. 4 2s are 8. 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 0 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Move and write this another element. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 3 into 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. Minus 2 plus 8, 6. Minus 3, minus 6 and 1. This 2 cross 2 matrix. So I believed that I have teach you a simple way of multiplication of matrices. So now I am going to enter inside the sum. Exercise 3.19, first sum.